Hello, and welcome to SUNY Coby News for the fall 2025 semester. I'm Gavin Keogh. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communications students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for joining us. SUNY Chancellor John Kane Jr. visited SUNY Cobleskill last week to announce a major investment in the future of agriculture education. Following a campus tour and during a panel discussion, he revealed plans for the new Agritech Center for Rural Futures, a plan featuring state-of-the-art facilities, projects, and inter-campus partnerships designed to support agricultural technology, workforce training, and economic development across the state. The Chancellor's panel featured students, faculty, farmers, and local leaders who spoke firsthand of how hands-on education and industry partnerships continue to shape SUNY Cobleskill Agritech's impact on rural communities. The Agritech Center will provide new spaces for innovation in precision farming, food systems, and sustainable technology, allowing students to work on real-world projects that support local producers. The project represents a significant state investment in rural education, and campus officials say it will directly benefit students entering agricultural, business, and technology careers. The Agritech Center is expected to take shape in the next year, with more plans to be released in the coming weeks. SUNY Cobleskill is getting a fresh look becoming SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. The college recently unveiled its new brand identity aimed at better representing its modern academic programs while honoring its agricultural roots. One exciting part of the rebrand has been the contribution of current SUNY Cobleskill students who have been contributed throughout via survey responses and hands-on work. A team of design students were the ones who were responsible for the final adopted logo. Student Mickey Paulinesi says that the design features the rolling hills of the Mohawk Valley and is meant to capture the feature of the SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech campus, which officials of the rebrand call Living Laboratory. The rebrand features updated logos, redefined colors, and a new visual style that will be used across campus, digital media, athletics, and official publication. Marketing staff say the goal is to create a stronger, more consistent message about the college's mission, hands-on learning, industry engagement, and rural innovation. The college has been rolling out new signage and digital assets, with more changes coming over the next few months. Students and alumni have already started to see the updated look appear on merchandise and on social media. The full brand transition will continue through the spring semester as campus teams update materials and prepare for a new admissions cycle. In local news, the village of Cobleskill has a new mayor. Earlier this month, Ajay Freitag officially took office after winning the November election. The new mayor says their focus will be on community development, infrastructure upgrades, and supporting small businesses in the downtown area. He also says a first act of business will be to restaff to the town police department. The administration is also expected to review long-term plans for water system improvements and economic growth and innovatives in the coming months. The mayor will hold their first public information session later this month to outline priorities for the year ahead. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on the SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech campus. Stay with us.
So I always had my suitcase ready to go. Then one day I was adopted. My new parents opened their hearts and home to me. My parents cook my favorite breakfast for me every morning. My parents take me on trips I never thought I would go on. They gave me a home and an even better reason to use that suitcase. My parents aren't perfect, but they're perfect for me.
Programs here at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're bringing to you right now here on SUNY Coby News. So Savannah, are you ready for winter break?
I'm so ready for it. Are you excited to drive home tonight?
Yeah, hopefully it's not too bad though. Hopefully everybody gets home safely and hopefully everybody has a good holiday season.
Today our current weather conditions are we have degrees of 19 and it's cloudy and snowy outside. Tonight it will drop to a low 20. There will be light snow after 1 a.m. Tomorrow we have a high of 36 and a low of 32. There will be snow early and rain-snow mix after 10 a.m. Saturday we have a high at 35. It will be cloudy and a little bit warmer. And Sunday we have a high of 31. It will be cool with light snow. Monday we have a high of 16. It will be colder but mostly sunny. Tuesday we have a high of 25 and a low of 20. It will be mostly cloudy. Wednesday we have a high of 34 and a low of 29. In the AM there will be snow and PM it will be rainy. Thursday we have a high of 31 and a low of 20. In the AM there will be snow. Friday it will be a high of 25 and a low of 17, mostly cloudy. And Saturday it will be a high of 24 and a low of 17 as well as mostly cloudy.
Thanks Savannah for that weather update. We'll be back with more messages after these messages.
You're watching SUNY Coby News from the studio production on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
Upstate New York.
There are 16 million children struggling with hunger in America. That's 1 in 5 daughters, sons, neighbors, and classmates who don't know where their next meal is coming from. Yet billions of pounds of good food go to waste every year. It's time we do something about it. Feeding America is a nationwide network of food banks that helps provide meals to millions of kids and families in need. Visit feedingamerica.org to help them feed even more. Together, we can solve hunger. Together, we're feeding America.
Hello, welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Gavin Keogh. Thank you for joining us. When you're looking to get involved on campus or in the Cobleskill community, we've got you covered. Let's look at the events coming up this week. The Carriage House has special hours for holiday shopping right here on campus. The 12th through the 16th of December, you can shop from 8:30 a.m. until 7 o'clock p.m. In January, the Institute for Rural Vitality is offering a 5-hour New York State driver's license course. Visit cobleskill.edu for more details and registration information. The holiday plant sale is back on campus. Email to set up appointments. You can search the directory at cobleskill.edu for either of them. For more information about events on campus, check out Coby Engage and download the Quark app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News, live from SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. I'm Gavin Keogh. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs, along with the new agricultural communication program here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit www.cobleskill.edu today. Again, I'm Gavin Keogh. For all of us here in the SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech communication program, thanks for joining us. This is a vinyl version of SUNY Coby News for the fall of 2025. Special thanks to all the volunteer crew that took time out of their days to help us. Our producer, Mason Mazzata. Our anchors, Cassie Van and Lila Stroud, who also helped with some of the weather. Same with Hannah Bonskowski and Tavik Khan for running our audio systems, and Ariana Cook for helping out with video graphics and editing. And I'm Gavin Keogh, and I ran the prompter a few times in weather as well. We will be back in the spring of the 2026 semester for all editions of SUNY Coby News.